Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn how we can print a 3D model in Autocad. So this is a drawing which we are going to print. Double click on the drawing. My drawing is open. We are going to print this drawing in Autocad. For printing we have to type here plot, enter, and this plot model will open. While typing the plot command, first we have to select a printer or plotter. When you select her name, and you will see your printer name will be displaying here. You have to select your printer, but I will select here drawing to PDF. After selecting the printer, we have to select the paper size. I will select here E3. Now after selecting the paper size, we have to select here plot area and what to plot. Here we have four options: display, extends, limits, and window. I will select window here, and let's say I will print whatever inside this window. Then you have to click here, send it to plot here, and preview. You can see this window we select, and this we are going to print now. Right click exit. Now let's say you want to change this geometry to hidden one, yeah, wireframe. Select here legacy hidden and preview, and you see here now 3D model changed to hidden line model as per the drawing here. You can change it as per your requirement. Let's say you want to print in the black and white, this one. You go here and select a monochrome, apply, preview. Now this color will change to monochrome. Same way here we have other option here, conceptual model. You select conceptual, preview, and this conceptual model will appear here. And you want to change this one to hidden. The hidden model will come here, same as the drawing one. And you can adjust the quality of the printing here, normal, maximum. We keep on the normal. So these things will automatically keep ticking, keep remain as it is. Here you can select portrait or landscape as per your requirement. I will select landscape. Preview and plot. You save the documents in your hierarchy. I will save here. In this way we can print in AutoCAD drawing. I select here hidden, but if you don't want to hidden, again you control P and you choose now previous plot. Whatever your previous setting will come here when you select previous. And now I will type it as display. Preview, plot. Whatever you select the option, that will print out. In this way we can print 3D or 2D in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.